James Crystal thing. So this guy in the Cessna is like inching up really slowly and he's just looking at me, like waiting for me. Like, I'm just standing here, dude. Like, you should be in charge of your shit. And so then every time I notice them like this, then they're like, "Ah, here we go." And then they start their mission. Hoorah. So he's just looking at me. His face is probably all red like Chris Farley when he's the bus driver in Billy Madison. This dude's having a meltdown. And so this proves that they can fly silently. Even though he's at 100 feet of altitude, look how silently he's flying. You wouldn't even know he was there. Like, at all. Now he's revving.